Hello, my name is David Perridge and I'm Director of Learning for Upper School at Westheath School in Sevenoaks. The school's got about 120 students at the moment and we cater for a wide variety of students with a wide variety of issues and diagnoses. Many of our students are school phobics or happy school phobics prior to coming to the school. Very many have Asperger's syndrome, and there are a great number of our students who have varying degrees of speech and communication difficulties. And in amongst those students as well, a wide variety of other issues, such as Tourette's and so on. The emphasis behind the school was to give students for whom education previously had failed them in some way, shape or form another opportunity to develop themselves, to fulfil their potential, fulfil their academic potential. The school sets high standards and high expectations, and equally to give them the opportunity to develop themselves socially and emotionally so that they could become the full human beings that they have that potential to be. Now, in the course of the last 12 years, the school's achieved a great deal with the staff and the students working very closely together, and it's been that building of relationships, that building of trust upon which the successes of the school has been based. It's not to say it's without huge challenges, and as a result of those challenges and the commitment to excellence that exists in the school, there's been an ongoing programme, if you like, of making sure that staff and students are given the skills and the capabilities to allow them to make the most of the potential that they have. And I say the staff alongside the students because if we don't release that potential of our staff, if we don't give them the skills and the capabilities to become as fully competent and as fully capable as they can be, then we're unlikely to really unleash and fully develop the potential that our students have. Over the course of the years, the school has done that in a whole variety of ways. Well, one particular development in the last couple of years that's been moving on through the school has been the development of the use of techniques relating to what's known as neuro-linguistic programming, or NLP. In essence, NLP would suggest that the way that we experience our world, the way that we make sense of our world, is determined by how we perceive it. It's determined by the sense that we make of it. And NLP would suggest that actually we have a great deal, if not total control, over that experience that we have, over those perceptions of that experience. So that in essence, if you like, we can create our own experience, we can create our own world, we can make it the way that we want it to be. So rather than be contained and constrained, if you like, within what some people might say, a kind of problem box that I can't do this, I don't deserve this, I can't achieve that, but actually we can, if we choose to, see ourselves as full of opportunity, as full of capabilities, and see the world as a more positive place, as a place in which we have our place and a part to play, and that we can be more and more successful. Well, what we've done at Westheath School in recent months and years is to take elements of that and that approach in perhaps a more concrete way, to use specific aspects of NLP to develop ways of improving students' perceptions of themselves, to improve their perceptions of what they are capable of achieving, and to do the same with staff. But not just to increase their perception, but actually to give them access to skills and resources which they previously had, which perhaps they'd forgotten they had or just didn't believe that they had, or to at least give them the belief in the ability to develop those skills so they can become more competent, they can become more capable, they can become more confident in what they're doing and in their sense that they can achieve and do. Now, what follows are a series of fairly short clips that are designed to serve several purposes. They can be used for some of our new staff to have a taster, if you like, of some aspects of NLP practice and how we might use it within our work. It can also be used for staff who have done more training within the school. We do diploma training and some staff get to do practitioner training in NLP, used as refreshers, if you like, so they can access them anytime they want to, just as a reminder, just as an opportunity to go through something again before they want to maybe put that into practice with themselves or with students or with colleagues. And the intention is that the clips will also serve the purpose of allowing other people, yourself perhaps, to have some idea about what we're doing, and also to get a sense for yourself how it might be useful in your context, how you might choose to take on board some of the ideas, some of the approaches, to see just how much they may be of use in the context in which you're operating. And if they're useful, that's great. And you can choose to take whatever you will, and as I say, I hope it's of some use to you, as it's been of use to our staff and increasingly to our students as we're developing the programme month by month, day by day. So please have a look, see what you think, and decide what you're going to take forward. And please get in contact with me to let me know what you think about what we're doing. Let me know how you might be choosing to use this yourselves. You can contact me at school, that's 01732 460 553, or by email at david.perridge@westheathschool.com. I hope you enjoy.